Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to add music to your Facebook story using your Android phone. Adding music to your story makes it more fun and engaging, and Facebook lets you choose from a huge library of songs. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now let's create a new story with music. On the home screen, tap on Create a Story at the top. You will see different story options like text, music, boomerang. To add music, we will using the music option. So tap on music. A list of popular and trending songs will appear. You can also use the search bar to find a specific song. Once you find the song you want, tap on it to add it to your story. Now you can customize how the music appears in your story. Click on the music. Drag the slider to choose the part of the song you want to play. Tap on different text styles to change how the song lyrics or title appear. Take your time to make it look just the way you want. Once everything looks perfect, tap on Done. Then click on Share Story. Your story will now be visible to your friends or followers, depending on your privacy settings. That's it, your Facebook story now has music. If you want to add music to an existing photo or video, tap Create a Story. Then choose a photo or video from your gallery. Now tap on Music. Then choose your music. Then click on it to edit. Then click Done. Then click on Share. This is a great way to make your stories more exciting and creative. And that's it. Now you know how to add music to your Facebook story on your Android phone. This is a fun way to express yourself and make your stories stand out. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.